Maps Mapanyane Biography and Family. Maps Mapanyane Biography. Maps Mapanyane, Masco Mapanyane, was born on 16 March 1990 in Soweto in the Gauteng Province, South Africa. He is a TV presenter, performing artist, still designer, speaker and model. He rose to fame when he was named as the sexiest South African man by Cosmopolitan magazine. Maps Mapanyane education background. Undergraduate student at Wits University where she studied BA degree in Media Studies, French and English and International Human Rights. Secondary school student at St. John's College. Career. He started attending modeling and acting auditions, where he attained his first modeling campaign, while working as an assistant to Yasila Buisan, founder of The Fashion Week. In 2014 she got a supporting role in the second season of Rockville. In 2014 he was a co-presenter of the SABC3 reality competition and lifestyle series Win a Home. In 2015 he starred in a lead role on The Real Josie A-Listers, a South African spoof comedy series. She is well known for playing a lead role in the South African film Tell Me Sweet Something. Maps presented Entertainment C. Beyond the Red Carpet, SAFTAs, which is an after coverage of the South African Film and Television Awards alongside Banan Mathuba on March 20, 2016. Maps Mapanyane family. He is the son of Marks Mapanyane, a soccer legend.